Now we are going to complete question answers of chapter number 15, Eat from the Ages. Comprehension A. Who said these words and to whom? First, we are thirsty. Chandragupta said these words to the old woman. Then second, we were outnumbered from the very beginning. Chanakya said these words to Chandragupta. Third, why don't you listen to me? The old woman said these words to her grandson Hari. Fourth, I feel that failure is my destiny in life. Chandragupta said these words to Chanakya. Then fifth, I thank you and bow to you in gratitude, for on this day you have taught us a very valuable lesson indeed. Chanakya said these words to the old woman. Then answer these questions briefly. First question, why did Chandragupta and Chanakya stop at the old woman's hut? And answer is, Chandragupta and Chanakya stopped at the old woman's hut for water and rest, as they are exhausted after being in a battle for a long time. Then second question, according to Chanakya, why were they losing the battle each time? Answer is, according to Chanakya, they were losing the battle each time as they were outnumbered. Outnumbered मतलब less in number. मतलब एनिमीज जो थे उनके सोल्जर ज़्यादा रहते थे और चाणक्य और चंद्रगुप्त जो थे उनके सोल्जर्स कम रहते थे. Then third, what happened when Hari tried to eat his meal of rice gruel? Answer is, Hari tries to eat the gruel from the center of his plate and burns his fingers. Fourth question, why did the old woman tell Hari to eat to eat his food from the outer edges first? And answer is, the old woman told Hari to eat his food from the outer edges first because all the heat gets into the middle, and so the outer edges start cooling first. The heat in the center is very strong and will not cool quickly. That's why the outer edges start cooling quickly. The food in the center will be the hottest and the food at the outer edges will be the coolest. Fifth question, what was the new battle strategy planned by Chanakya based on the words of the old woman? And answer is, they are going to change their methods now. They shall attack suddenly without any warning and shall attack the outer fringes of the Nanda army. मतलब वो अभी कहाँ पर अटैक करेंगे? आउटर साइड में. They are the weakest section with the least weapons and the worst soldiers. क्योंकि जो साइड वीक होती है, जहाँ पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं रहता, वहाँ पर कैसे रहते हैं? वहाँ पर वर्स्ट सोल्जर रहते हैं, उनके पास वेपन भी कम रहते हैं. They will attack and then withdraw just as suddenly as they come. मतलब वो लोग ऐसे सोल्जर्स पर जल्दी से अटैक करेंगे एकदम सडनली विदाउट एनी वार्निंग और जल्दी से वहाँ से निकल जाएंगे. दे शाल नॉट टेक ऑन द होल आर्मी. वो अपने पूरे सोल्जर्स लेकर नहीं जाएंगे. दे विल अटैक एट द वीकेस्ट पॉइंट. सबसे पहले वो क्या करेंगे? जहाँ पर वीकेस्ट पॉइंट है एनिमीज़ के, वहीं पर अटैक करेंगे. दे शाल टेक ओवर स्मॉल विलेजेस एंड फोर्ट्स एंड देन स्लोली एज दर विक्ट्रीज इंक्रीजेस. सबसे पहले वो क्या करेंगे? छोटी जगह है, पहले जगहों पर पहले कब्ज़ा करेंगे, फिर छोटे छोटे जो फोर्ट रहते हैं, किले रहते हैं, उनके ऊपर कब्ज़ा करेंगे और जैसे फिर वो जीतते जाएंगे उसके बाद क्या होगा? दे शाल हैव मोर रिसोर्सेज एंड मेन. उनके पास रिसोर्सेज बढ़ जाएंगे और उनके पास सोल्जर्स भी रहेंगे. एंड देन दे विल मूव इन फॉर द किल. Then next C. Think and answer the questions. First, comment on the relationship between Chanakya and Chandragupta. Did Chandragupta always listen to his teacher? Was he inspired by the wisdom of his teacher? And answer is, The relationship between Chandragupta and Chanakya was that of an obedient student, मतलब जो अपने टीचर की हर बात मानता था, and a wise and caring master. Then, did Chandragupta always listen to his teacher? Yes, Chandragupta always listened to his teacher. Then, was he inspired by the wisdom of his teacher? Yes, Chandragupta was inspired by the wisdom. Wisdom मतलब बुद्धिमत्ता. Wisdom of his teacher and decided to follow his advice. And finally led him to victory. Second question. Who do you think was headstrong? चाणक्य और चंद्रगुप्त. गिव रीजंस फॉर योर आंसर. यहाँ पे पूछा है चंद्रगुप्त ज़्यादा जिद्दी थे या उनका चंद्रगुप्त ज़्यादा जिद्दी थे या चाणक्य ज़्यादा जिद्दी थे. चंद्रगुप्त seemed to be a headstrong, although he paid heed to the wisdom of his teacher and followed his advice. He was still not fully confident of their ability to win against the Nanda army. He was having doubts of whether they would be able to overthrow Dhananand before finally being convinced by his teacher and assured of victory if they followed the new strategy. Then last question and third question. What did Chandragupta want to do for the old woman before they left? And what does this tell you about his character? Answer is, before they left, Chandragupta wanted to repair the old woman's leaking hut. And this tells us that he was a good person who had all the qualities of becoming a king, who cared for the welfare of his people and helped them in every manner possible.